All right, Jared, so the best way to do this is don't think of the lines and spaces. I want you to think half steps. So half steps starting from the root. So if there are 0 half steps, it's a perfect 1. If it's 1 half step, it's a minor 2. 2 half steps, it's a major 2. 3 half steps, it's a minor 3. 4 half steps, it's a major 3. 5 half steps, it's a perfect 4th. Now this is where you said you were confused. Tritone is between perfect 4th and perfect 5th. It's at 6 half steps. Perfect 5th is 7 half steps. Minor 6th is at 8 half steps. Major 6th is at 9 half steps. Minor 7th is at 10 half steps. Major 7th is at 11 half steps. And the perfect octave is at 12 half steps. So a little bit of getting away from the lines and spaces. So this obviously, F to G flat is a minor 2nd. But I asked you if you understood enharmonic. F sharp is the same thing as G flat. So this is still a minor 2nd even though they share the same space. And that will get a little more confusing as you enter double flats and double sharps. So you really have to go by the half steps, not the lines and spaces. And then another quick little side note here, if you know your major keys, the intervals can only be, if they fit within the major key, they can only be major intervals or perfect intervals. There will be no minor intervals in a major scale. So if the 2 notes you're trying to identify the interval between are in a major key, they're both in the major key, I like to start at the bottom one as the root. If they're both in the major key, it's going to be a major interval or a perfect interval. All right, so that's my interval video.